Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil with Simpler Futures. It's Wednesday, midweek shuffle hump day, August 23rd. NVIDIA just reported, and the market likes them. The other day, I think we did this video. Last time I was Monday, I think, doing videos here was we were looking at from the beginning of the low of the year anyway, which was basically the beginning. It's kind of like the open was the low. Anyway, from there to this recent swing high, July high up here, last week's low was a 382 fib retracement. Well, likewise, from the July high to last week's low, this uptick is also a 382 fib retracement. So the question is, obviously, well, is it going to simply be a 382 and roll and make a new low and trade like 4,300? Or is it en route to not only 382, but of course a 50 and a 618 or something? Of course, I don't know. It's going to be one or the other, but here's what I do know. Tomorrow, I'm going to encourage you to think in terms of about a 44.50 line in the sand, over under. That means lean long above, short below. Target on the top is 44.92. Target on the bottom is 44.20. Reason being is those are both balance, and if below 44.20, by the way, it'll be 43.85, because those are the big HVNs. Those are the big balance levels. You got old balance at the top at 44.90 something, 90.92, and you've got one big one at 44.20 and another big one at 43.85. So it's like, okay, long above here, short below there. Where is it going? It's okay. Now, it's going back to balance. Which one of those balance prices is it going to? That's the reason for those targets. All right. So then you might say, well, what's your lean? What do you think? And I'd be like, well, what else matters is Jackson Hole and Powell and ECB's Lagarde, going to speak on Friday. So if you're going to kind of keep things balanced, like we were talking about at the beginning of the week, up one day, down the next, up the day, up Monday, down Tuesday, up today. And by the way, our Tuesday target got real close. And that was pretty sweet. But anyway, so then up Monday, down Tuesday, up today. So why not down tomorrow? And so my lean would probably be for two reasons. It'd be down tomorrow, I guess. I'd be, if it starts to roll, at least you know where to target. You know where to start to think that it's starting to develop into a bearish below your line in the sand, and you know what to target. You got two targets for like 44.20 and 43.85. And the reason would be, well, if it was up today, then down tomorrow kind of keeps it balanced in front of Friday. And then also because the high of the week was today on a Wednesday, midweek shuffle Wednesday. So is it going to be long or short? I don't know. But I got targets on either side and the line in the sand in the middle that, where you lean long above, short below. So hope it helps. Good trade. Nice evening. Check you again at the next update.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me